Play buttons. It is night, so let me just go to sleep. Where is my bedroom? Where is my bedroom?
In hall.
I found it. I do not have one play button right now.
Nice.
Let me just play Roblox. Now it's night, so let me just sleep. Close my curtains and sleep. Now turn off the lights.
जाते तू खेलना हाँ मेरा भाई तू अनलैक है अनलैक
How long it is? I am already feeling hungry. Let me just go inside the kitchen and eat some ice cream. Now let me just eat.
तुम्हारा फ्रेंड बरवा बोला रखे
And now wash my hands.
Sleeping day.
Now again. Now let me just sleep.
Again and then sleeping, then sleeping.
Now after some time it will be day. Now it's morning and I am already late for school. Let me just go here and then into the shower. Let me shower and go. Let me just turn on the lights and go down. Now let me grab my book. I don't need to carry the whole bag, so I will just grab my book. Go to school now. Now let me open my cupboard. Go inside the class and read. This lesson is too boring. Boring lesson. It's a break time. Let me just go up, eat some pizza. My pizza slice is done. Now let's me again go and study.
It is time to go home, boy.
It's now time to go home.
चुप था मैं योग्य था मैं बोल रहा कि shut up.
Let me just go to my home and see that I really got my play buttons. This is my room. What the heck? Why did I get so many play buttons since I only have 1 million subscribers? And this is my golden play button
ला
and my silver play button.
यहाँ से हाँ शायद
And please subscribe to my channel. So my goal is 1 million and got the golden play button in real life. And if you want to add me on Roblox, just subscribe to my channel and I will add you on Roblox.